unlimited supply, and there is no reason why. I tell you it was all a frame. They only did it cause of fame. Oh, EMI, EMI, EMI. Too many people had to suss. Too many people support us. An unlimited amount. Too many outlets in and out. Ooh, EMI, EMI, EMI. Answer and that was supplied. A day they wish that we had died. We are not nation. We are ruled by you. We were faking, that we were all just money making. You do not believe that we are for real, or when you lose your cheap appeal. Don't judge a book just by the cover, unless you cover just another. And blind acceptance is the sign of stupid fools who stand in line like EMI, EMI, EMI. Unlimited taxation with an unlimited supply. That was the only reason we all had to say goodbye. Unlimited supply. There is no reason why. I tell you it was all a frame. They only did it cause of fame. I do not need the pressure. Another useless fool. Unlimited supply. Hello EMI. Goodbye. Yeah.